Inclusion Factory is a social enterprise providing employment opportunities to people with disabilities. With the ultimate goal that PWD can enter the first job market, Inclusion Factory trains and coaches PWD using custom-made tools and methods so that PWD can have a professional career and live more independently. Raise3D has consistently been dedicated to social welfare by incorporating 3D printing into daily production, creating a semi-automated smart working environment. Raise3D assists PWD in addressing operational challenges on production lines by providing specially customized fixtures through 3D printing. This makes production work more convenient and safer, while also improving the factory's manufacturing capabilities and quality standards. In the future, Raise3D will continue to collaborate with Inclusion Factory to further enhance the advantages of 3D printing, bringing more convenience and safety to PWD.